Tuesday, I'm going to be making a really healthy take on the banana cream caramel pie. So I'm going to be making vegan banana cream caramel puddings. So what you're going to need for this recipe is the vegan vanilla Happy Way protein powder. I've got some coconut cream, which I've had sitting in the fridge overnight so that the cream solidifies, and I've scooped that up from the top. And I've got some chopped banana, some date syrup, however you could use maple syrup, some turmeric for the colouring, some more sliced banana, and some chopped walnuts, and I've also got some more date syrup. So there's a few steps to this recipe. So to start the recipe, I'm going to beat the banana, the protein powder, a bit of date syrup and turmeric powder in a bowl for about 1 minute with a high-speed blender. And then I'm going to add the coconut cream in and beat that for another couple of minutes. And then to assemble the puddings, I'm going to be using a couple of glass jars, and I'm simply going to layer the banana cream mixture, top that with some date syrup, which I'm going to use as the caramel. However, you can make your own caramel sauce. And then I'm going to sprinkle some walnuts and banana and repeat that process a couple of times in the jar, and then they'll be ready to serve.